Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the 60Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select display and brightness, and then scroll down and find refresh rate. So tap on it. And then if you'd like to enable the 60Hz refresh rate, simply ensure that you have selected custom. And then from the options that appear, you should see the option refresh rate. Tap on that. And then simply choose 60Hz refresh rate. So that's basically it on how to enable the 60Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.